Hi, big data people. Welcome to this video. This video is about project ideas on machine learning. Project number one, identify image classification. So identifying image and classifying the images is the main part of this particular program. We can use datasets like CIFAR10 or Fashion MNIST. The Fashion MNIST is a dataset of Zalando article images, which is consisting of a training set of 60,000 examples and a test set of 10,000 examples. So each example is a 28 cross 28 grayscale image associated with a label from 10 classes. And CIFAR 10 dataset consists of 60,000 32 into 32 color images in 10 classes with 60,000 images per class. So there are 50,000 training images and 10,000 test images present there. So from this you can identify image and classification the images based on certain categories. Recommendation system for movies. So we can take data from the movie ticket booking apps and store these data based on user rating on movies and preferences choices made on the previously attended movies. So we can create a machine learning recommendation system to give alert to the users based on the upcoming movies, based on genres, based on actors, like that. Flower classification system. So different type of flowers should be classified based on their patterns and sepals and plus from the models and design. We can also use classifiers based on the shape of flowers already stored on our predefined system. Negative thoughts from the Twitter data. So we can get that data from the users data from particular days data or from a common specified groups. We can classify these data into three groups like positive, negative and neutral based on the particular concepts and or in general based on those thoughts we can create this system which will show how many positive, how many negative, how many neutral percentage of thinkings happens per day like that. Customer segmenting system, so we can collect data from users or groups based on their buying categories of items, based on purchases. Based on the purchased items, we can emote users like what kind of the items they purchase the most. And based on that, we can recommend the users what to buy in the future months. We can also classify when the product is going to be end and need purchase of renewals. We can make the users to do a recommendation based on this one. Become a machine learning professional by doing these projects.